Unlock your vocabulary. Assess yourself. Excel in English. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to yet another enriching lesson where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of self-assessment techniques. This video is tailored to help you understand how self-assessment can significantly boost your learning experience, especially when it comes to expanding your English vocabulary using antonyms. Let's unlock your potential and take your English to the next level. Firstly, let's explore what we mean by self-assessment. In essence, self-assessment is a process where you evaluate your own work or performance. This is a powerful tool for learning as it encourages you to become more self-aware, helping you identify your strengths and areas of improvement. When it comes to vocabulary expansion, self-assessment can come in handy in recognizing words you are comfortable with and those that you need to work on. Now you might be wondering, how do antonyms fit into all this? Well, antonyms are words with opposite meanings, like hot and cold, or fast and slow. By using antonyms in your self-assessment, you can expand your vocabulary in an engaging and efficient way. It can be much easier to remember a new word if you can associate it with its antonym, a word you already know. Let's talk about some techniques you can use to assess yourself while learning new words using antonyms. 1. Flashcards. Write a word on one side of the card, and its antonym on the other side. Regularly reviewing these flashcards will help you solidify these new words in your memory. 2. Sentence creation. Try creating sentences using the new word and its antonym. This not only helps with memorization but also ensures you understand the context in which the words can be used. 3. Word maps. Draw a map with the new word in the center and its antonym, along with related words and phrases, branching out. Visual learners might find this technique particularly helpful. 4. Self-quizzing. Regularly test yourself by creating small quizzes based on the new words you learned in a week. This keeps your memory fresh and the learning process active. Remember, the key to effective self-assessment is consistency. The more consistently you evaluate your progress, the better you'll understand your own learning process. Over time, you'll notice not just an expansion in your vocabulary but also an improvement in your comprehension and communication skills. That wraps up our lesson on using self-assessment techniques to learn new words through antonyms. I hope this video enlightens and empowers you in your English language learning journey. Remember, self-assessment isn't a one-time event but a continuous process. So keep assessing, keep learning, and keep expanding your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!